Hey, this is Marjorie Wildcraft, and on this edition of Homesteading Basics, I'm going to show you a knot to tie your shoes that's super easy to tie, stays tied all day long, and is really easy to untie when you're done at the end of the day. Well, I can't believe that I'm almost turning 55 and I'm just now learning like the best way to tie my shoes. About a month ago, I was on a backpacking trip and we were taking this woman, Maria, on. She'd never gone backpacking before, and it was like she just turned 50. It was a bucket list thing for her. And we're like, sure, we'll take you out. And I got the brilliant idea I was going to be a videographer. And so I'm, got my 25-pound pack and I'm running ahead of them and I'm taking the shots and they're going past me and I'm running back and forth, and my shoes were always coming untied. And my brother-in-law who was there, Don, really great guy, he says, hey Marjorie, I can show you a really great way to tie your shoes. Super simple to tie. They'll stay tied all the time, but then at the end of the day when you want to untie them, they come off easy. And I'm like, really? I'm like, come on. He said, yeah, let me show you. And let me show you this knot because it really is amazing. So I want it, and it really does work, and it is the absolute best way to tie your shoes. So I got these, actually I got these new boots over at Tractor Supply recently. And these are Ariats. I really like this brand. I've got some cowboy boots from Ariat that I've had for a long time. But it's just basically you do a tie just like you normally do, that overhand, and then you make your two bunny ears just like you normally do, and you cross one over and cross the way you normally would. But before you pull that tight, just do one more loop and then tighten it. And that's it. Now, I'm realizing that these laces are probably not the most photogenic thing, so let me go get a rope and a piece of board, and I'm going to show it to you on a larger scale so you can really get this. This is really useful. All right, so this is again just a piece of rope on a demonstration to make it easy. So you start out just doing your normal, knot like you normally do, and then you get your two bunny ears. You're going to want to make them a little bit bigger than you normally have them, and cross one over the other just like you regularly do. But then you make one more loop over and pull it tight. And now when you look at it, what you should see is it should look just like this. Now this is going to stay tied all day long. It's amazing. And then at the end of the day when you're done, just pull it and it comes loose. So just learning that one little tip on how to tie my shoes better helped me so much during that backpacking trip, and of course all the weeks since, and it will for the rest of my life. Amazing how small little techniques can be create so much improvement. This is Marjorie Wildcraft, and hang with me next week. I'll have some more advice and tips for you on the next Homesteading Basics.